How to fix this unable to locate ADB error within your Android Studio while using Flutter. To fix this, simply click on OK and also close here this window. And then go here to the top right corner and select Project Structure. And in this window, which is popping up, you need to define then for your Flutter project the project SDK. So I select here then this Android API. And after this, go here back and click on Apply at the bottom and also on OK. And lastly, close Android Studio by pressing Command Q and then click here on Exit. And also make sure to close your Android emulator in case it is open by also Command Q. Let's search again Android Studio and let's open it up again. Back in Android Studio, go to the top right corner and click again on this AVD manager. And now you can select again your device that you have created before and click on Run. And this time it should open up the Android emulator without this arrow. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.